Hi, welcome to Taza Studio. I am Sandeep Khanna, Marketing Manager here at Studio, and today we are going to talk about something every marketer struggles with. You have been there, you launch a campaign, the creatives look good, and you see the traffic coming in. You keep optimizing your campaign, however, nothing seems to work. No add to carts, no form submissions, no purchases, so what happened to those visitors? And is there a way to retarget them and convert them? Well, in this scenario, the remarketing campaign using Pixel plus Conversion API works best for me. So I'm going to walk you through and show you how easily you can launch Pixel plus Conversion API remarketing campaign in just 12 steps. So if you're ready with your basic setup, let's jump in. But wait, hold on for a second. Before we get started, let's just do a quick check of what we are going to cover in this video. You'll get to know how I track visitors who didn't convert, how I retarget them, and with the remarketing campaign, I will also explain when the remarketing campaign actually works best. And the cherry on top is the complete 2026 remarketing guide, which you will get free at the end of the video. So stay tuned. Now first, we have to tell Meta exactly who we are hunting for. It's a simple 7-step setup. Yeah, so here we are at the Ads Manager account of Meta. And as you can see, there is a button in front of you which says Create Audience. Now we'll be using this button to create a custom audience which we'll be using for our further campaign. So as you can see, custom audience is the people who have already shown interest in your product or business. And you can create an audience from your customer contacts, website traffic or mobile app. So these are the various sources for creating a custom audience. One is your website. The other is customer list, then there is offline activity, catalog, video, Instagram profile, Facebook page, shopping page or on Facebook listing. So any of these sources can be used. We'll be using the website as a source. So here you can see that it asks whether we have to include any or all of the criteria that we are thinking. So you can select either any or all. We select any. As you can see, the pixel of our client's account is already integrated. So we go to the next part which says all website visitors. So here if you click on the drop down, there are either all website visitors or people who have visited specific web pages. For example, if you're running a Shopify site, you might want to promote specific pages. Now these are the events for which you need to select, whether it is page view or user engagement or scroll or view item list. So these are various events that you can use to remarket to your audience. As you can see, we will be using add to cart. Other than that, there is initiate checkout, purchase, all those things are there. So here in our campaign, we'll be using the main criteria, which is add to cart, which means that all the users who have added to cart for in the past certain amount of days, they will be retargeted. So you can select the number of days that you want to use. For example, for 30 days, it means that anybody who has added to cart in the past 30 days. Now we'll be using 90. So which means that anybody who has done an add to cart on my website for the past 90 days will be retargeted. Now there are various methods of refining further. If you want a highly focused campaign, you can also add a particular URL to remarket to the audiences. So in our case, we will not be using the particular URL. Here you can add the audience name, whatever you choose. So in our case, we'll be adding remarketing April 2026. You can also add a description if you like. So here we add 90 days. Users who have added to cart. So this helps me understand what kind of remarketing campaign I have created. Now we go to create audience. So your custom audience has been created. Now you can create a lookalike audience, which will be basically people who have not visited your site, but they have visited a competitor website, which will help you retarget to them. So here you can select the percentage. So a 1% lookalike consists of people most similar to your lookalike audience source. Increasing the percentage creates a bigger, broader audience. So you can take it up to 10%, 5%, 6%. However, the ideal level according to my experience is around 3%. So this will not broaden it too much and it will not narrow it down too much. So we go to create audience. Here, as you can see, the lookalike remarketing campaign audience has been created. And now this audience is ready for being used in a remarketing campaign. Let's get the tech right. To win in 2026, you can't just set it and forget it. Okay, so now we are going to the next step in which we have to go to the Events Manager. Now we click on the Events Manager page. And here, as you can see that the Events Manager overview page has opened, which shows data sets. And these are various data sets which help us in determining what kind of audience is best for us and also in understanding the performance. So the pixel has already been installed here. And now we go to the dataset part. As you can see, there is already a pixel installed in this. You can search for the pixel if you have got multiple websites which are there under your ads manager. Here you can see event activities. This chart displays any event from your website CRM. And you can see that the dataset ID is there, integrations have been done, the website is displaying, and various events are there which have been mapped to the pixel, such as page view, cookie consent, user experience, etc. View content, add to cart. So for us, the most important event is add to cart. As you can see, this chart displays any kind of activity on those pixels which has happened over the past specific period of time. Now we go to the custom conversions. Now, as you can see, there is already a cart audience which has been created in the past. So now we'll go ahead and create a new custom conversion audience. So here you have to add a name which will help you identify what kind of audience you have created. You can put it as per your goal or as per the audience behavior that you have. You can give a description, and the data source can be the pixel which has been embedded into the website. Action source, as you can see, is website. It could also be a physical shop. Events, once again, are basically activities that people have done on the website. So for us, the most important event is add to cart, which we'll be using. Here you can use the URL to retarget the customers. You have a URL, and then it should contain something, and then it should have a URL name. So add a URL name. It would be a keyword of the event that you have captured already on the pixel. So here we add to cart. You can also create more URL options just in case you want to track various other pages on the website. Now you go ahead with create. And there we have the remarketing custom conversion April 2026 has been created on Pixel. And this will help you start a remarketing campaign with a conversion API. So here you can see the conversion API, remarketing conversion API, which will give you much better insights into how your campaign is performing. Now we go to the next step, which is integrations. So here we check whether all the integrations have been done and they are running in the right manner. So as you can see, there is Google Tag Manager, there is Meta Pixel, which has been connected. Everything is working well. You can scroll down and see what other APIs have been integrated here. So this is good to go, and from here you can go ahead and create your campaign. Now, a quick reality check. Remarketing works best when you already have consistent traffic hitting your site. So whether you are an e-commerce store or a lead gen biz, this is how you lower your costs and scale your ROI. And this is it. You have successfully launched your remarketing campaign. I hope it works for you the way it works for me. And as I promised, your 2026 remarketing guide is in the description box. It will walk you through every single click we just discussed. And until we meet again, drop your questions or suggestions in the comment box. Thanks for hanging out, and stay tuned for the next one.
Hi, I'm Andy Hickey. I lead customer success at Taza. One thing we see across teams is that marketing decisions are getting more challenging. There are more channels, more tools, more opinions, and a lot more at stake. It's becoming difficult to build a winning strategy or see real ROI. That's exactly why we built Studio. It cuts through the clutter so you can focus on what actually works and what will drive meaningful results. And when you're ready to move forward, you're working with a team that's built to turn that strategy into real results. If you're thinking through your next marketing move, connect with the Studio team. We're here to help you get it right.